Hi, my name is Christine from the Customer Success team, and in this video, I'll be taking you through the sales module within the KiliMax software. Managing sales efficiently is very critical for any business, and it becomes more difficult when you're dealing with multiple transactions, multiple customers to manage, and having to have records for everything and even doing reports. In this video, we'll show you how KiliMax helps you manage your sales process seamlessly from quotation to deliveries. Let's get started. Today we are going to look at the sales module within the KiliMax system. It's the fifth module when you log in. We're going to look at the various sub-modules within it. The first one is quotations. Quotations are very important for project-based companies or industries. For example, the solar industry or the book industry, people who sell in wholesale. The quotation is basically what shows the customer, the intended customer, how much you're going to sell them goods for, and for them to review and see if they would need to go ahead with that order or not. So we have different statuses of a quotation. It can be approved, or if the customer is okay with moving forward, an order can be generated, and an order is a sales order. Okay, then we're going to move into the second module, the sales order. The sales order, basically, this is where now you record what the client wants from your shop, from whatever you're selling in your catalog. Once you set this up, you will be able to maybe do deliveries, do invoicing for the client, but the very first step is doing a sales order. Within KiliMax, we support AI smart ordering, whereby you can just copy paste the order. Maybe it's been sent on text or it's been sent on WhatsApp. You just copy and paste that order, and our AI will automatically pick the data. As long as those products are in the system, it will automatically pick them. We also have image recognition, which supports a screenshot of the orders or handwritten. It is very well informed with reading handwritten documents or chat screenshots. So you will not need to do your ordering, which can be time consuming. Assuming the client has already sent you all the details, you don't have to key it one by one. Okay, so within the sales ordering, you're able to select whether all the products are tax inclusive or tax exclusive. You're also able to, assuming you have 100 products within your sales order, you're able also to select your warehouse in bulk and also select the price levels in bulk as well. Okay, then we're able to move into deliveries. After you've done a sales order, of course, you need to deliver those particular goods to the customer. There are two ways of doing a delivery. Number one, we have where the customer does the pickup, and number two, where we do the delivery to the particular customer, to their particular location or destination. Okay, then we move into sales returns. Sales returns basically manages any goods that have been brought back by the customer. It could be they did not like a particular batch of goods that you sent to them and then they return them. So sales returns usually takes back the stock into whatever goods are left the store or the warehouse, it brings them back into stock. So after a sales order has been done, of course you need to raise a credit note, which supports that you've returned money to that particular customer, or you're acknowledging that you're going to return money. Okay, then under invoices, this is where we manage all the payments that have been made by the customers, the wholesale customers. And if you look at the statuses within the invoice, you're able to see an invoice that has been approved and an invoice that has been unpaid. And within unpaid, this is all the records that go into management of receivables for a particular business, right? So another status that you can see within invoices is partially paid, because it's normal for a customer, assuming they had a consignment that is worth 1 million, it's possible for them to just pay 500K and say that they will pay the rest later. So in this situation, in our system, we will manage it as partially paid. The last sub-module within the sales module is picklists. So if I click on this particular pick list, you're able to see the Apple iPhone 17 Air was sent to opening test Chan, the customer, and then the sales quantity was 2, quantity that was supposed to be picked was 2, and how much has arrived to the customer, still 2. So all these numbers should be able to align to show that the pick list is successful. Then the last 2 things that I can mention about the sales module. Number 1, we're able to manage wholesale customers, whereby we see all the details within all our customers that are in the system. So when you move to the far right, you're able to click on the view button, and you'll be able to see all their receivable balances and all their information, transaction history, be it delivery, be it invoicing, the record of visits in case the salespeople have ever done any visit to that particular customer, and all the credit details. Then the last thing within the sales module, you're able to manage opening balances of the customers. You do not need to put in all the past details of the customers. If you start using KiliMax, once you bring in just the new opening balance, it will synchronize effortlessly with all the details that you had in the past. Yeah, that's the end of the sales module. And that's how KiliMax helps you manage sales efficiently and accurately. If you'd like to explore KiliMax further, check out our website to book a demo or reach out to us for a more personalized experience. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next one.